Welcome back to Virtual Little Kitchen. Today we are doing a recipe for Ariana. We've always been very cautious about making sure we wash our hands before we make food. So we're going to teach you our little kitchen washing hand song. So let's go, guys. Top
and bottom, top and bottom, in between, all around our hands, wash them clean,
We do this twice and then we rinse with fresh water and dry our hands on our very own aprons.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Virtual Little Kitchen. Today we are making Ariana's two delicious pasta.
The ingredients that she chose was cucumber, corn and peas. What we've added is pasta. We use the bow pasta for Minnie Mouse, which she loves. And we added some food coloring. We're using red and blue. We added some vegetable. Then we added some vegetable stock, which gives it a nice flavor. And mayonnaise. We're using Simple Truth. This is a vegan-friendly mayonnaise, so it doesn't use any eggs, but you can use any mayonnaise. Or if they don't like mayonnaise, you can use a balsamic or lemon juice.
You also need a Ziploc bag.
Or a container that seals.
Step 1. Place the cooked pasta into the Ziploc bag. I haven't eaten. Step 2. Add the vegetable stock. Step 3. Add a little bit of food coloring, about a teaspoon, that's mixed with water. Close the Ziploc and shake well. Set aside and cut up the cucumber into small pieces.
Put your cucumber that's been cut into a mixing bowl.
Add about 3 dessert spoons of cooked middies and peas. Mix together.
Add about a dessert spoonful of mayonnaise to the mixture and mix together.
Add your colored pasta.
And mix gently. Okay, serve on its own as a snack or a meal, or you can serve it with a protein of your choice. Ariana loves chicken, so she might have it with some chicken.
And there you have it, Ariana's two delicious pasta. Bye everyone. Toodles. Toodles, guys.
Little Kitchen is a proud agent for Acorn Kids. If you would like to order, go to www.acornkids.com/Little Kitchen Kids.